Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. It's after hours here at Triple S Motorsports. I'm going to continue painting my brake calipers. I've located the two rears. I still need to find another front caliper. I'll show you guys how the paint turned out on the first one. There it is there, not too bad, looks nice and fresh. A couple of dead spots, but for the most part, looks pretty good. I'm happy with how that turned out. So I've got these two rear calipers here. Just found them off parts cars here. Clean them up a little bit, and then I'm going to throw them in the sandblaster and then hit them with some paint. There's the rear calipers there, all sandblasted, looking quite a bit better. Now going to go ahead and throw some paint at them. Time to do some clear coat. Alright, there's the finished product. I think they turned out a lot better than the front calipers. I probably should have taped off the boots or the dust shield rubber covers, but you know, they should be fine. Looks pretty good to me. I'm happy with how it turned out. Hey guys, today is a Saturday in the shop. Everyone is here working on some stuff. I'm over here working on my car. I'm going to be doing my 300ZX brake swap and 5-lug conversion, and then maybe obviously putting my new wheels on because they are 5-lug. So yeah, putting those new rotors on, the new calipers in the front. I probably won't do the rears because I'm still missing some clips for the brake pads. Kenji's over there tuning an SR20 240. Corey's here. Tony's over here putting his KA together. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Corey's slamming that Tim Hortons. We're not sponsored, but Tim Hortons, if you're watching and you want to sponsor us, you know, hook us up. We drink your coffee all the time. Tyson's over here is going to be putting his VG together today for his Z32. It's going to be pretty sweet. First things first, we're going to take off the lug nuts, and then the wheels, and then the spacers, and then the calipers, and then the rotors. Spacers off. Alright, so the old hubs are off, the old rotors are off. Had to take the dust shield off, because as you can see it's rubbing there. Had to switch the C-clips over because they were rubbing on the dust shield in the hub. So new rotor on, just have to feed the cotter pin through it and then put the calipers on, change the lines to the 300ZX conversion lines that I have here. I have front and rear, and then yeah, should be good to go. All right, that's one side done. Unfortunately, I didn't clear my 300ZX calipers, so I had to use a huge spacer. But it still looks good. Those wheels will look good with the new color that I'm going with. Keep in mind, that's not the color that the car is going to be this year. Yeah, we're going to tackle the other side and keep going with it. That was more backwards than before.
Cause you lied, you're so good at it, you lied.